If your head let loose game crashes on PC and you get this error message which say low level fatal error, then I will guide you on how to resolve this problem. Now, this is a common issue. If you go to various subreddits, you can see people complaining regarding this problem. Now, crashing can be caused with a lot of reasons, but the main reason which I've seen a lot of people are saying is this one. This normally happens when the computer has been asleep for a while or hasn't been restarted in a long time. This is usually a RAM issue, or the game is using too much power and crashing. That likely means your system is overheating. Now, here are the solutions you need to try to resolve this issue for crashing, which is low-level fatal error. Now, you can try the following. Try to restart your PC. Now, if you restart your PC doesn't fix your issue, you just need to type this, which is negative D3, D11 in launch option. If it fails, try with negative DX12. Now, if you've used the Steam to download the game, just write it on Steam. If you've used the Epic Games Launcher, just type it on Epic Games Launcher. Just copy it like this. Open your Epic Games Launcher, then go to your library. Now, click the game which you've downloaded it. Since it is this one, just select on the three dots here. Select three dots here and then go to Manage. And then make sure to enable launch option and make sure to type it, which is negative D3, D11. Now, this will try to use DirectX 11 to launch your game. If you're still facing again the same issue, just delete it and write negative DX12. So type this negative DX12. Try to launch the game to check if a problem has been resolved. Now, if it hasn't been fixed, just make sure to remove it and try the next step. Now, the next step is updating your graphics drivers to the latest version. You can try to use the NVIDIA app to update your graphics drivers. I'm using the latest drivers, so just open the NVIDIA app. Or if you're using the AMD, make sure to open the AMD Adrenaline. Go to the drivers section here and make sure your drivers are updated to the latest version. As you can see here, they are up to date. Now, another thing you need to try is verify your game files. Just open your store which you've downloaded the game. You can open Steam or you can open the Epic Games Launcher. Go to your library here, select the three dots, then go to Manage. Then make sure to verify your game files. Now, this will try to check for any corrupted files and try to repair it. Now, you can try also this one. If it hasn't helped you, just turn off XMP off and set RAM speed manually. You'll need to enter your computer BIOS or UEFI settings. Now, a lot of people has suggested this, though I'm not sure it will help you fix the problem, but you can try it. But in most cases, if you try these solutions, will help you fix for the low level fatal error. So if it hasn't fixed your issue, just try to turn off XMP off and set RAM speed manually. You'll need to enter your computer BIOS or UEFI settings in order to fix this problem. So let me know in the comment section if this tutorial has helped you. Thanks so much for watching. See you next time.